Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best beads clear is probably one of the most versatile crafting materials you can find. From delicate jewelry to eye-catching decorations, the possibilities are truly endless. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the right ones? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of beads clear, exploring their various types, sizes, and applications to help you make the perfect choice for your next project. Number 5. BYMORE 60,000 Clear Water Beads. Inside, you'll find 60,000 clear beads, each about 2.5 to 3 millimeters in size. Watch them grow up to 10 times their original size when soaked in water, reaching about 13 to 18 millimeters. It's easy to prepare. Simply put these beads directly into your centerpiece or use a large container. Soak them for about 8 hours, and a 12-ounce jar can yield over 15 gallons of expanded beads. Create stunning centerpieces effortlessly. Use a vase large enough to hold your floating pearls, candles, or flowers. Add the water gel beads to the bottom, then add your decorations. Fill with water until the beads are hidden, and add floating candles to complete the look. These beads are perfect for plants. They absorb water and release it slowly. This means less watering for you. You'll only need to spray your plants every few weeks and rehydrate the beads when they shrink. They are great for houseplants, vertical gardens, and bamboo. They're great for centerpieces, vase fillers, and floral designs. Use them in wedding decorations or as a decorative display. They can also act as a substitute for water in your vases. What we like? These water beads expand to a remarkable 10 times their original size, creating a stunning visual impact. They are perfect for floating centerpieces, adding elegance to any event. If you're looking for a low-maintenance way to hydrate your plants and add a decorative touch, you should consider this. What people say. The beads are crystal clear and have a beautiful shine. They are perfect for making jewelry. The size is consistent throughout the entire bag. Number 4. Gxueshan 6 by 9 mm Acrylic Pony Beads. Introducing the Gxueshan Pony Beads, you'll get 1,000 pieces of translucent white beads in one package. They are perfect for various DIY projects. These beads are barrel-shaped, measuring 6 by 9 mm with a 4 mm hole size. It's easy to string them together for your crafts. These pony beads are perfect for arts, crafts, and DIY projects. You can create unique jewelry and decorations with them. Made of high-quality acrylic, these beads are waterproof and drop-resistant. They are durable and will last for a long time. These beads are ideal for making bracelets, necklaces, and earrings. Mix and match colors to create your own style. They are also great for friendship bracelets. What we like? These pony beads come in a classic translucent white, offering a clean and versatile look for your creations. Their barrel shape and large hole make them easy to work with, perfect for DIY jewelry projects. If you enjoy making friendship bracelets or other beaded accessories, you'll love this. What people say. The color is bright, clear, and consistent, and the holes are the perfect size for stretchy string and other types of cord I use for candy making. Great beads for the crochet book envelopes that I use them on. Seem to be of good quality. Number 3. AIEX Crystal Beads Kit, 900 plus pieces. Introducing the AIEX Crystal Beads Kit. This kit is perfect for all your jewelry making needs. It's packed with beautiful, sparkling beads. This kit includes over 900 pieces. You'll have plenty of beads to create multiple projects. This ensures you have enough to bring your creative visions to life. The kit offers 5 different sizes, from 2 mm to 10 mm. This variety allows you to create diverse and unique designs. It's perfect for bracelets, necklaces, and more. These beads come in crystal white and half AB color with a faceted rondelle shape. The colors are bright and eye-catching. They will make your jewelry stand out. The kit includes a clear plastic storage box with 10 compartments. This makes it easy to organize and store your beads. It also prevents them from mixing. Use this kit to make your own bracelets, necklaces, and earrings. It's also great for hair accessories and other DIY crafts. It is a perfect handmade gift for friends and family. What we like? This kit offers a variety of bead sizes, allowing for intricate designs and diverse projects. The faceted rondelle shape catches the light beautifully, adding sparkle to your jewelry. If you are looking for a comprehensive kit with easy storage, this is the one for you. What people say. Such beautiful and well-made beads. Packaging is great. They make for gorgeous earrings and have that crystal rainbow shine which I love. Plenty of sizes in one container which I also love. And have not found one defected bead which is rare. Pretty, iridescent, glass-like beads that worked great for my snowflakes. Really great variety of sizes. Comes in a nice divided box with some cord and wire for earrings. The needs seem to be of good quality. I have found no defects. Number 2. Hicarer 680 PCS 8mm Crystal Glass Beads. Introducing these beautiful crystal glass beads. They are transparent and shiny, perfect for your jewelry making projects. With approximately 680 pieces, you'll have plenty of beads for all your creative needs. It makes your handmade project an enjoyment. Each bead features a faceted rondelle shape, catching the light and adding sparkle. This design will make you stand out in the crowd. Made of high-quality glass with neat edges, these beads are safe and durable. You can use them repeatedly for a long time. Each bead has a hole for easy stringing, allowing you to create necklaces, bracelets, and more. It's simple to attach and get started. These clear glass beads are ideal for DIY jewelry. You can create unique earrings, rings, keychains, and pendants with them. What we like. These glass beads have a transparent appearance and a faceted rondelle design, creating a brilliant shine. With a large quantity included, you'll have plenty to work with for multiple projects. If you like to make jewelry and want a classic, sparkling look, they are perfect for you. What people say. Arrived quickly, the beads are completely clear and glisten in the sun. Durable, classic looking. Good quality and perfect size for making bracelets necklace. They throw the rainbows then the sun hits them. Number 1. The Beadery 6x9mm Barrel Pony Bead. These are the Beadery 6x9mm Barrel Pony Beads. They come in crystal color and are perfect for all kinds of crafts. The large hole makes it easy to use for everyone. This bead features a 4mm hole, making it ideal for crafters of all ages. It's easy to thread and work with, perfect for various projects. Each bag contains approximately 900 pieces, providing plenty of beads for your creative endeavors. You'll have enough to complete multiple projects. These beads are ideal for making friendship bracelets. Its size and shape make it easy to create beautiful and personalized bracelets. These beads are made in the USA from high-quality polystyrene. You can trust its quality and durability for all your crafting needs. What we like. These pony beads are made in the USA with a large hole, making them easy to string and perfect for crafters of all ages. They are ideal for creating friendship bracelets and other fun projects. If you are looking for a classic bead that's easy to work with, this is a great choice. What people say. The beads are crystal clear and have a beautiful shine. They are perfect for making jewelry and other crafts. The size is consistent, making them easy to work with. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.